Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Spotify for Creators app. You go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Spotify for Creators and you will click here. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.